Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie, you reach? Yes.
Ask no. Me I tell you no, shut up, cannot work.
If you bring down Shutta back down, she a try run front, but we need to bring her down. She not for escape.
She know for escape. Shut up,
Yeah, we
for
want to take
escape.
her off like how we take off there with them. I'll she a run and a dodge. I think she need to get her bring down, because they tell her to go on about her business.
Yeah, we have to give shut up back one.
Yeah, man, I forget her internet. I forget her bring down too.
Yep.
A red boot, green boot can't get it munchy and diarrhea, get you I forget it too.
I forget it too,
She
it's
get yeah,
true.
I forget one tear down one.
Put
I
put
think
put
at
your
maybe this weekend. When you
yes, yeah.
come back.
Saturday.
Oh, maybe,
Saturday.
maybe I got tired.
Saturday may I
Sunday
come
morning.
back. Saturday morning.
Yeah, man,
Mm-hmm.
for her throat for report, man. Because she now got a doctor with it. And she inoculate Instagram with it.
Hey, but post.
Hey,
Uku can robot shut about good
ma.
Hey, Uku have the one of the key them to shut about door.
Yeah.
Uku climb shut back, step in her back good. When Uku are up shut back, man, you have to take care of yourself.
You could beat her now with a lantern. With the brother bring
Mm-hmm.
her down.
Hey, the brother did bad.
Yeah, I'm
The
not listen
batty man.
to him, man. When it's a post, I should dash a whole heap of it. When I listen to him,
You,
I
you,
must
you,
say,
know, you know play the one where him say a 14 people should deport.
yeah,
I show
I'll play that
that
one.
one. I show. I show him a tell.
And it was, and I'm tell you, remember saying call, said the mother I got lock up. I got call immigration and Cindy, if Cindy not give her the money for the medication.
Yeah.
And they call the pastor and tell the pastor, say Cindy come up to England and I rang name.
Mm-hmm.
I feel it, hey, I want dirty family them man. Then you shut her back, she the last. Oh, Puss, me go get her back here, man. Like
Me say, hey,
me
it
coulda,
did hurt me bad. It did hurt me. I feel
me
that the
dad,
man did come
me
in.
coulda get myself away from demon and negative spirit and go fix it. Dan,
Yeah, you know what post says true that as she make your munchie argue not tell her lie. She
No,
need a bring down
it's
for
true.
true.
It's
True.
true. She tell me like a munchie.
Yeah,
Me no
so she
true.
stay.
say munchie
She
that
come and call her as a munchie that trouble her.
to say
And then
munchie
you
that class up. Amanda,
Amanda.
Amanda in the
Yeah.
hospital. I'ma feel bad for Amanda. I'm start say, oh munchie because Amanda.
That's right. But Munchie forget what she forget. You know, care. Because at the end of the day, look they know. Remember Munchie she did all go to Anto and I tell Anto when Tanya tell her the things
And
they
she said
about
she
becoming
ate
I
her. She
tell
ate her.
Anto. Oh, Pussa said this and Anto said, well, if you want to listen to Shutta back, listen to Shutta back. But
Hey,
I push me, I
shut up.
said, look here.
Hey, shut up back lie.
Very
Then
lie.
all of the problem now she make it
Oh,
night so she can't draw herself out. They need to bring her down. She needs to bring down.
shut up.
When you're done with her, man, she not have no back and no belly and no side.
To place the back. To place
Talk about
the
the
back.
back down. You have to go look back to that video there. You want to see Kira as God make Moses Kira big like Shutterback.
Yes,
Me say Shutterback have a big
yes.
silver fridge and Kira walk to the fridge. Oh God, man.
Kara
Good
neck
God, you really.
and Kara neck
Oh,
back black to his supposed like should not
oh
be around
God,
this.
man.
I said the
Oh God,
woman
man, and you
mash up the
find
people
so
them.
much time. You notice when me, even when me have my little grandchildren, them children, them want the I'll say little girl, she was and attack, she just get mad. I'm ready for cause people. So I just have to take with myself off Instagram and me have them. You see Kira, oh God, Kira big like the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh God, and
Kara
the face bigger if you can see the little eyeglass. Tanya, really, really, and then you want
and
to come
she
cut.
and she come out for people pick me.
I want to come cause I come talk about she lock up my come me they tell my you me could have out of my jurisdiction no go send my your yard. I'm in a
Wicked.
fearless.
She wicked to your
And she
son,
make,
the big one.
yeah, I make, she said she
I said
police lock
she
up
stay
my
down.
son.
Cause
And
them
she
I
like
tell
she
me
she
say
did them
did
no
the
like
jail.
her.
She tell me
lie
say
she
did
a
the jail.
tell, so she lie.
Then lie she lie. She lie she the liar. she's a narcissist when she can't get her
Me
behavior.
say suppose see Shutta back. Uno see Shutta back pan filter. Uno want see Shutta back in a
We the one
real
in for
life.
beard and the ear, them look at them big dirty bleach out hag.
She brought, she have to come sideways through the door up at the hotel.
Ay, ay,
The way the
ay,
woman
ay,
big. When the, when the
ay.
woman a come to the hotel, everybody a look. Everybody a look. She
You
not a
should tell
fuck
him
girl.
your bodyguard.
She, eh. Suppose when the foreman them a drive up out of the pool chair, to a push her big back hand to have her hand them.
That wicked,
Well,
you know.
I never know why them never just throw her in the pool.
That wicked.
And you know, say,
Hey, not no sweet me. I went Shutta back say video me. Video me, I make sure to make me look nice, you know.
me I tell you,
I came,
ugly, ah.
I must
I
say,
came.
the skirt, the skirt
Just
done it
shot
go
up
off
on her
bad.
so
Yeah,
and
the
itch
skirt,
up on her like a little girl like a school.
yeah, with a big knee
And the
cap.
two
Hey,
big
you want to see
knee
the
cut
foot?
them.
You say
Yeah,
she have a mosquito. When you look, she turn the shoes in a mushroom.
Me I tell you, the
And
whole of the
then you look
mosquitoes
at
stretch out.
the little bag was it for me?
I'm telling you, me give the woman a nice bag, you know. Me give the woman a never fold Calvin Klein. She take it, give Marcus that same time for present. True, she
all
look old.
And then she said, you go fuck Marcus handicap that. I said, hey, there are some dirty people, you know.
Tanya, yeah, the last time, last week. Oh, I'm done with Hope. I'm done because my man told me to. See, my
Which
man locked
one
in
her
there.
man?
I don't know.
She have
Must
one
see the
more
dick come.
new man down that what?
You're right. Hope I'm done. I'm done with this call. So my man company live there in MPH. Or what could have caused this Herman company
What
live
you
in
know?
MPH?
Someone dirty man that will follow back IG too.
If man,
Yeah, you're
I
right.
tell them, if our picnic here, that's why I know them girl are down no sense.
Sense.
Them picnic
Post
can't
for
make them
real.
done, but man, I go make them
In
done, bitch.
it. You're right, Puss. You're right. See my man there. See my man just tune in on him page there.
No man
Flashing
of them
the
right
Maybe I the
shit.
mind
blind
not take up
eye.
shit. If
Maybe a
our
blind
own
eye bad
brother
you
say,
know.
our
I
own
don't think
brother
so.
say,
I
no
don't think
man,
it's him.
now go
I
look
don't think
for she the way she
that.
put
I don't.
down
Him
baby
don't have
baby.
no Instagram. I lie.
You're mad man, World Trade Center, nice pretty building, you're crazy. She
Mm-mm.
favor when them daddy the upstairs. Yeah? The long upstairs I she favor her
Project
from.
back sharp then. She come like the up project them where them abandoned in a Brazil, abandoned for 100 years. Cause
But you what?
salt
Yeah,
take
she
it.
call you dirty woman over TikTok. Yeah.
Not too much. What she said?
Me and
Dirty.
your daughter woman,
Yeah.
the toughest she call me and your daughter woman.
We look better than you do. Will always look clean and fresh. And enter the body suit them can up we all run up and down with me and lift you up.
Yeah.
Tanya, it's gonna take your ears to gather up, or you gather up, or you gather up if you look like me and
No, she
dance. So don't try
can't.
it.
No, push. She
Don't
cannot.
try it. Don't try
Tanya
it,
cannot.
girl. Don't try it.
I hear Susie cause her already until last she need 300 people to get her surgery. We
Mm-mm.
said that day they are
The
work, me
one that
nearly
the
drop it
cross is one of the
today.
things here, Mr. Shot take it. And I take she another one
Yes, we do.
demonic one to me. Now
Yeah,
nothing to
no.
do with them.
Tanya, the
Them
way
are
you
dirty
big,
people. She has
you
Susie at
need
the same kind of
surgery,
dirty
doctor.
bucket them. Dirty shit pale bucket where the prison them shit in a GP and just seal it crossing a Susie mouth and for her mouth.
Munch him out.
We have a
Not even
950
talk about Munchie right now. Give the Munchie time for gain strength for come back. When time them fall, you cannot keep falling them. That's wicked
show.
thing. You have to give them strength to come back.
Yeah,
So
forgive them.
right now, me a ease off a Munchie because I don't want she kill herself.
Show.
So me now look past she, Munchie time. Yeah, but you have to, when people fall, you have to leave them at them fall. You can't keep. Yeah, you have to rise her up. So me I wait for Munchie to rise up. No, man, make she rise up back. You can't, me can't bother. No, me
Fly.
let them go.
Can I
No,
Push
me
tell you
let
that
them
something?
go.
all
Me
the
them
while.
fall, you
Fly,
know. You know,
fly,
say them fall, you
Push
fly.
know.
Can I
But
just
when
say
me I
that
something?
all
say,
the while.
Fly,
I
I'm
say,
gonna
a shutter
break it
back,
down to you. I'm
want
gonna break it
focus
down
on
to
a
you.
different object, you know. Any that,
Fly,
that.
and I
Shut up,
see it's an
Baxi,
You
Toffee
uplift
know
for
they
gonna look
can't
and
me,
look
stay
at
by
or
one
money.
I
target.
see that Jesus
Shut
Christ, that's no
up,
good, that's
Baxi,
bad.
Toffee
Yeah,
gonna
you
look
know
and look
me
at
enough,
money over
Puss.
TikTok.
I
I
gone
don't
She
just
over
gone
trust
over
people
over
for no
there.
reason.
You
But
know,
you see,
leave the girl
sometimes
alone,
like
she
I
not
keep
beg you
telling
nothing,
Candy,
man.
yeah, and it's not
Now
a
follow
bad
the
thing
She
what
do
you
the
auntie.
guys
same
have in
thing.
you. I'm not
You know,
gonna
I
she
tell
shall
you
do
what
the
to
stress out.
say,
She
same
but
run a
thing.
friend
sometimes
out
you have to
because she
open
want to
up
get
your
things
wide a
from
little
home
bit
because
more.
she
It's
know
like you
say
got a
you
cataract in
bring it
there. It's
on the
making you
anti
not
people.
see.
If she
No,
run
wait
about
now.
anti work, anti
Sometimes,
work.
Puss, when
I
people
know
do you
when me
wrong,
know
you just
say
have
she
to
work
Lego
this,
them
when
and leave them right
Judith
in the ground.
class her up, and she said to, what she name they said, Drew a class, but me not care, you know, come
Yeah,
on,
get the
going to
money.
buy
Do
the
man.
picnic them uniform.
No,
That
I
was
understand what you're saying. You're not gonna
disgusting.
beat
I live
her
with
to make her give
husband.
herself
Jesus
something
I
Christ, it
wanted the
was
unfair.
one
this.
that fly, wanted that dog vomit, that one they too.
Mm-hmm.
That
You
one
know,
they
so Suki
try bun
stop
down my
talk to her, Dan.
house.
That the woman there, you don't even know, because
She's
sometimes
not
she
gonna
come out and
beat
come tell lies,
she's not
Suki.
gonna beat
But we
Munchie
Oh,
don't know
down
stop,
No,
because
Suki
she
stop,
say
does
you're
stop.
not
something
do
to
no,
for
Suki
them.
herself.
no gone. Suki I use his Stupid's name. Me see her right up all your damn. I forgot to
Me
tell
see
you.
her right up about me, but stuck in I'm not camera right at the house. Me got
Me
me
think
there.
me send it to you. If you look on your page, me
Yes.
send it to you. She a talk about dirty damn. Me see her
Yes,
Me
right up all
Munchie
your
see
does
damn.
have to lift up,
as
lift up, but
she
it's not
dirty
Puss to lift
because
her.
she have to
Let
put
Puss
camera
leave
in
her in
her
the
face
I mean,
ground
I
where
because
say
she
she
look
watch
put
out
her
down
and
and
she
Fireman
say
needs to
don't
Cathy.
stay
pay
there.
Suki no mind. But Suki they all over bring you down.
No, I'm
But
not
Suki and
dangerous
nobody, you
because
know.
this is how these
Suki used to
fucking
dance
rascal people
go-go
come
a
back again
Benbow
and they
Street, you
fucking
know.
try do things
A
again.
go-go girl, them
No,
called
sir.
Suki, you
I'm
know.
Yes,
not telling.
victim
Listen to
Suki.
me. Let's talk one at a time,
Suki
yeah.
used to
I'm not
lap
saying to
dance for
beat her till she
money.
does something, you know. I wouldn't want
$100,
that. The woman's got two
$50 and them
pitney, whether
money
she,
there.
whatever I think of her, I think of her. But you see, when you beat her and you bust her face and leave her with her teeth out, leave her ass clot right
Suki
there,
used
sir,
to
Yeah, but
suck.
and go on about your
Suki
business.
she
Make
one
her
of that evil
uplift her
wicked
blood
Used to,
one.
clot self.
me say,
Where
post when you bust it
how
pan
much
her
fucking
Chanel, they don't she
uplift
thief
one
the
blood
people their
clot,
money.
nasty raw clot
Yeah, cause
person
she
can
go
get?
like to
You're
play
mad or
somebody
what?
where she's not. I look
You're
at her own friend
mad
Tanya
or
do.
what?
Put body in her
No, sir.
own daughter mouth and see her with
Yeah.
that. So she want her to come out.
No,
And then
sir.
she
I'm not
draw
saying
out
to
for
beat
me,
her.
but
You're not
God tell her
listening
something.
to me
God, you
good.
know,
I
say God
never
not
said to
sleep.
carry
Cause
on
if
beating her,
Dan
you know.
and
But
all them
leave her
liar
right
them tell
death
for
up
me,
on
if you
the
notice
floor.
Dan, that's why
Don't
they
give her
can't come
no
with a proof when
bandage.
me see and when me
Me
do.
say, oh, she said she
Why
go
you
send me
giving
look
her
at you, that
bandage to
countryman that
fix
she
her
do it down at
fucking
your
wounds? Let
yard.
her
Come and
fucking
know you
bleed
pitting
out
them
and
that
fuck
kill that.
herself, yeah?
My
No fuck.
Took me there Jamaica, send them come kill me now. Me I go a Wildman Street today. Me I there Wildman Street from any time after 11. I mean I left down there till 5 o'clock.
my no get hey, you can't beat me anyway, but you can't beat me on my yard.
She can't beat me down there, so.
Can't
When me
beat me
go
on
down there today
my
this
yard.
morning, I be entourage round me.
Oh,
Look how much money she have.
but she a thief. Thief what? Thief what? In 1 pound shop, she go thief. Thief what?
Them say once I out a back market, them get 3 style for sit down pan. The way she big.
But no, she can't even go around a back market. I lie, she a tell. She don't know back market. She can't thief enough things. She can't go on a back market. I lie, the girl I tell.
Hmm.
She'd round there show them.
She just got somebody style and a show because
You know say I
dirty
show you
mommy,
a tell.
mommy they are back market. So there, so she there. Lie, she a tell. Don't listen to the liar girl, cause should have show
Right,
you
bless
come
up
off a
yourself,
wharf with a
Caddy.
barrel.
Big up.
Should have show you. When
Show.
if you study people, you know. Should have said, Don, look for my barrel them. Should have show everything.
Show.
So the girl can't trick me with them. Got
Me
people
ear say
style
when
about them. I'm
me ear
going.
say when she go down with the little girl, she carry one suitcase for
She
Marcus. I mean
did.
say Marcus just
Dan,
drive
she
and
did. She did. And he run
pick up
her.
the suitcase and just
Dan,
Jesus
leave and
Christ.
go.
and I see
Oh, but Dan, check it out. Every girl sick. Look how the girl fight for her Batman brother for years. And then
Talk
after you
no.
fight for your Batman brother, you go come take this body where you fight for him now. You look friend from now come talk about gay. What the fuck me would I do with that? When me would have fucking do when me I go shit and go back go step in that shit for?
Me say, Puss, when me eat the dirty girl, depend my sister-in-law,
You
Puss, me I go
crazy.
get back your man for you out of order.
Get back which man for who? You crazy. Look, but remember say me have the dirty man the last time he come back and bring them down. Me never want him. This kind of say them want to kill him. And them I say them I gonna kill him. And me ask you that you say me say I'm gonna help him.
Mm-hmm.
And just that's it. He went to here tell me say Puss, you can't if you want this. So when the man ring your answer, me say Dan, that's it for me. The things about the man pass me and say, me not have nothing to do with this dirty piece of shit house.
And when him dead on a country and him pick the mango and the man
Yeah.
ring out the mango time and him call me in a post and say, boy, Beverly them could make problem with the whole family that's him not have nowhere to go.
And then tell them nothing accept him.
Mm-hmm. And then him did their own some boy where cook food and him do the cooking. You understand to eat. Him butter bad, Him butter like
And then
when
you
the
add
breadfruit
butter
drop off
body
the
now.
tree.
And the same somebody when bring down uncle still say no what out of the goodness of me. I come here say,
Mm-hmm.
for me, Jim beg me. Me just help him go Europe. And because we help
Yes.
him go Europe, the man no want struggle like nobody. Him want as him reach him drop in a gold mine.
No
Pussy, I
more
know so him go have to go skin
England
out
him they
like
want
paper
come.
right. Eh?
Him they want come. Cause remember the liar to say him gonna tell the people them him charged for murder.
Yeah,
Him
but him
case.
cannot come to England because they contact England about him at England, so they don't want him in them country.
So him for just stay at Europe.
All him need to do, remember that me I tell him say just fight it. Even if them say they don't have to kill me, as I said, they're not going away. But him so stupid. Him
Mm.
so stupid. Him want them bring him back at Dominica Republic. You're not from Dominica Republic. You're not there at Dominica Republic. Everything there you suffer. So why you left from a European country going to a third world country?
I wonder where him there now.
They had a Serbia back in the sister the last time. Him there Switzerland. Dirty girl, he couldn't touch Switzerland. Because Switzerland's stricter than Belgium.
Yeah.
You know
Them
much
don't
people
know where
after
him
that
there.
me held down. You know much people, my friend, the woman we used to take care of my grandson
And
and
I think
flow
in the prison.
can't
I think
be.
so too.
Friend not see him.
I
I
know.
can't keep him out.
Yes,
Yeah.
cause you
And
know
him
him love to
thief
trace.
people things. Me
No,
I
he's in
read.
prison. He's in prison, I think.
That's why you not see him fly out.
Mm.
It's true.
And listen, you know much people may help after that? I'm saying we are two sons in Ghana, Europe. See there? One get 3 year and one get 2.5 year. Me send one another smaddy. And me and them not dead down.
Yeah.
But remember, say them kill one of the brother and shoot one other one and the other three, me help the three of them. Me call Angela, call Kevin, say
You that
whatever,
steer him not
whatever.
the
I
right
help them out of
way.
my own money, millions of dollars. It mean nothing to me.
A
You
true
think money
post, a
means something to
true.
me? It don't mean shit to
True, you
me.
not tell lie. The whole of we respect you and rate you after all is said and done and we say him go on with and you send him a Europe.
So when you think me send him, and a man me a look. Because, and I tell you that, me tell you, say my son Omar, me no know, Omar can get himself in a so much trouble. And him get out.
Yeah.
You know much time Omar go for dead, and sometimes me a cover Omar. And the end of the day, me just think say, me is a person, remember where me a come from.
Mm-hmm.
So believe say, when you believe say, oh, you think me, at the end of the day, if me not interested in you, me and you that day till today day. How me I go
True.
come deal with you? A man when me there with, and you come talk them whole heap of sit there. Why me I go put myself back there so if you come tell more? I
Total
still
that.
never put up more. You still make up some liar story same way
Mm-hmm.
because you can't get your way. Me one time in my car, and I say, me dance, you say, Puss answer man, because I said, Dan, me help him, man. That is it. Me not have nothing to do with him. Me don't want to have nothing more to do with him.
That's why
Shut
that's
about big neck Beverly have to get it back again.
yeah, you
Yeah, I'll
have
be
to
valid.
go.
We need to prick our neck.
Yeah, have to go. You're not escape it. You're not escape it. So don't
Yeah,
think
cause believe say,
yeah.
man. Me not frightened for man. Man, I know my problem. As me going out dance, me going out dance, me not go in there with that dollar. As me going there, man, say push where you drink. Sometimes me look for buy more LP, you know. And push the money in my brother. Me walk go this another man. Me say what go on. Me a
But
champagne, you
Puss me
know.
not tell a lie no you go on, and a carry on,
Me a
You
tell
dep
you.
on another level, my friend, them can't stop you. You have a
Che-
back it up them you love bad. When you turn over back way.
Right training, Will Hugo could not survive in Jamaica. Don't believe he could last longer. He would have dead. Me man call me bagga diary. All of them upon the live brassing call me say the gunman him have to jump through gully and
Not true.
Tanya and the mother go make man nearly kill him.
Them rush him at the house and him run through the back door, the door me tell the Havana door.
She show
And
it.
him in at the plane, him in
She
dead
show
on the
it.
play
She show
field.
it, Dan. She show it. She show
And when
it.
him
Put
dip on the
together.
play field, him
But
call
she
me.
sure Uko.
The door, the local door when I have the door is like a local
The back
round
door,
circle.
Yeah.
no
Yeah, she
door.
show it. She put a local swinging there. One local swinging there now. You know them foreign
Yeah,
one where
because
you
you
just
down cause
yeah,
I,
she put
start down.
yeah.
yeah, if Kalia did walk through and go up on top of the building.
Oh,
Cause
And that's a Yugisha used to stay.
no him feel him room the right at the corner of the back
So
door.
which part that down the door?
Yeah, the door lead you outside,
To
like when
the
you go to the
back.
washing
Oh.
area. Mm-hmm.
she show it on the line.
She showed the six
Uh,
bedroom, no, I am
and you go room the right at the corner.
She said
And Beverly tell me
she
say
said
see
she
that
said
bed there where
she
you
said
go
last
have.
week, Dan. She said,
Yeah, Beverly
Dan.
tell me say, and the people them were dead give me that nice bed there, you know. Them give me one washing machine and them pick me won't even help me fix it. So the washing machine, yeah. She tell me everything we want to be done like say me a
because she
data
why you done
or
it.
me a journalist.
She why you born in Moselle.
And yeah, I be that buy all two local bread and sell bread and patty, you know. But me nah get no help. So me buy 6 beer. Boy, the 6 beer them sell
Yeah,
cause
because one
yeah,
Sunday Yugi
I
shot
hope
and go
these
back
are.
over they call me. And he must say, watch a dirty woman, watch a dirty woman. Normally should have called me if you run guy this shop, go get it, but me now do it. Me now do
yeah.
it because she make Tanya and her man them go for beat me, kill me. Me now do it.
Mm-hmm.
He must say,
You
look how
know,
much pitney. Well, I know him say Cindy have 2 taxi. I don't know if I lie or true, but him say Cindy have 2 taxi. And Cindy make her man control the 2 taxi.
I
And she
true.
have to call taxi. And hear him now. Hear him now. Cindy, what you look dirty woman she gonna buy one crate of something she go buy, but half dozen beer, half dozen juice, half dozen magnum, quarter dozen this, 1 pack
Yeah.
of cigarette. And that's one said,
One
and him
pack of
saying upset
cigarette.
because hours a night them a call her for 1 cigarette, one whistle, and she a come out of the bed and him a say
Oh,
one night him go say, hey woman, don't make them come, hey, you know, don't come call up my mother for that. And she get mad and say, we no go hello me. Let me say me little one. Him say one whistle and you come out of
Cause
your
she don't
bed.
sleep at night, you know.
And him
She
say
don't
she a
sleep, you know.
gambling there with the girl
She
them and a
lie
be
down at the
fucking
chair at the front.
and
Till the boy
sucking
them come by from her.
with the one cigarette and the one beer. And him a say she
But
thief him $40,000 when he come back. She trick him and take him 40,000 more medication and she not stop begging at the group for medication from
yeah, but
everybody in the group.
you know me say Shutta back wicked cause when Shutta back here, the them go to the restaurant, Emily and Tino. I thought he had thousand cream. Them near my road they say Emily the pan Latina stop adding no more pan woman bill. Cause we eat enough him them want it for care home for Monday to Friday. But don't clock them do a bad. All of that shut about now have no pampas to the pitney, you know. All of
You
that you
hear
know
you
care about Beverly, you
shot
know.
talk on the live him say the pitney them a go party. And them have to wash out clothes and buy the clothes couldn't dry for the party if it start and I press them have to press the clothes.
Press it
And
out. I
all
say when
right,
him
see
reach a
say
party, me say
them
you
have
go
to
actually a
turn
ball
back
to me. Him say when him see the pitney them have on them nice clothes.
from Jamaica
Yeah.
about shut back pitney look the worst.
And them just a fly
I
down.
swear
Italy.
upon God I'm a 8 grand pitney. I saw him tell me. See that I
It's
talk to you,
true.
but I saw him tell me.
No, him tell me first. And then the lady said to him, say, you going away already? And him turned to the lady and said to the lady, said, she pampas wet man. So me I make her mother change her. Him say him just chop off her pin them give her and go straight to the bed, go burn and
No,
spliff the way him shave.
he go back there go near out the party man. He go dress up himself. He go back there.
Man, God. It was the color with the ice cream. You know, see, I
Hey,
first I eat the ice cream, she bite it from the bottom.
I want to shit. Shit,
You
bro.
want to see her face? Him, no. No, mama. No, mama. Turn it the other way, mama. You the people.
Oi.
Mm.
No,
Yes.
sir. On a
But
festive.
when I tell her I post, you see, if she did leave you go alone, him that get your life together. But the girl just a wife him such a
I saw them
Amanda
live, you
father.
know. I saw them dirty people they live, you know. You must understand. If you listen to them pattern and watch them pattern, that's how they live. They sleeping with them one another. So them behavior is normal.
Amanda father. I tell you.
Me hear people say, that's why Shaq.
That's why she war over him so.
Morning, everyone.
Amanda father. Hey, one day she cook like a chicken parts down at Jamaica there, you know. You remember she could the chop up chicken. She cook like a chicken parts. And she cook like a pork chops. She the whole like the boy the motor road, you know, make friend, you know. When you go and another one come from work, she tell you go so the other one near me tough. Two of them start warring over the food. You could have left some of the food for me. Because my sister said, look, the pot did full up, you know. The pot did full up. She share it out. Get the boy the motor road. And I remember for left look food for her two brother them. Wicked. Wicked dirty bitch that man. We push there. Push me
So
fell
she,
asleep
I
again,
think
pound.